University of Mumbai, Mcom Sem 4, Indirect Tax Question Bank Solution, question related to calculation of value of supply, part 7. Mr. Surya acquired good for total contract value of rupees 5,90,000, including 18% GST from Ms. Sai Enterprises. The contract value included packaging of rupees 6,000. Mr. Surya requested additional packing for self-transportation of goods, rupees 3,000. Insurance was paid for rupees 3,000 was paid by the supplier inclusive in the contract. So this is included in the contract. Even the contract value including package is included in the contract value. So we are not going to consider that. Then insurance was paid for 3,000 to the supplier. This is also included in a contract value. The service of Mr. Ravi for 5,000 on commission basis was hired to complete the delivery of good by Sai Enterprises. Okay, so this is the additional charges paid. So we are going to take this. They requested Mr. Surya to make the payment directly. Rupees 9,600 was incurred as an extra cost toward testing of the goods. Okay, so for testing of the good, extra charges were applied, and that is 9,600. So we are going to consider this. Then the test before supply by the supplier, rupees 5,600 were charged additionally for delivering the goods to Mr. Surya. Okay, so additional charges to supply goods were there. So this is also we will consider, that is 5,600. Calculate the value of supply as per as the provision of GST Act. Okay, so we have to just calculate value of a supply. So here first the contract price of the goods will take, but it is including a GST, 80% GST. So we are not going to take that, but we are going to minus 18% from this 5,90,000. So if you take the 18% of 5,90,000, your answer will be 90,000, which we are going to deduct, and for this answer price will be 5 lakhs. Then contract value include packaging of rupees 6,000. Okay, so this is included in the contract value, so we are not going to consider this 6,000. Next is additional packing for self transportation of goods is 3,000. Okay, so additional packing is done, for which extra charges of rupees 3,000 is paid. We are going to consider this, so we will write in the particular additional packaging charges 3,000. Then we have Mr. Surya requested say for the transfer of good of rupees 3,000, this we have done. Then insurance was paid for rupees 3,000 by the supplier. This is inclusive in the contract amount. So what in this 5,90,000, this insurance amount is added. So we are not going to write this. The next is service of Mr. Ravi for rupees 5,000 on commission basis was hired to complete the delivery good. Okay, so service of Mr. Ravi, this is for 5,000, and this is we are going to include. So in our particular we'll write amount paid on behalf of supplier 5,000. Then then Sai Enterprises requested Mr. Surya to make the payment directly of rupees 9,600 was incurred as an extra cost. So as a for testing, so we will include in our particular testing charges paid 9,600. Then rupees 5,600 were charged additionally to deliver the good to Mr. Surya. So calculate the value of supply. So additional charges to deliver the good of rupees 5,000. The charges is 5,600. So delivery charges of 5,600 we are going to include. So our value of taxable supply, when you add this contract price of the good after deducting tax, then additional packaging charge, then amount paid on behalf of supplier, testing charges paid, delivery charges paid, all this, your value of taxable supply will be 5,23,200. So this is your solution of your problem sum number. This were the calculation regarding the value of supply. Okay, please subscribing and click on notification bell icon for the next part. Thank you.